Proactive strategies for mitigating information security risks. The huge surge in registered digital users of this hyperconnected world leaves with a concern on the digital ecosystems.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
With all residing details like client records, financial data, and intellectual property. From sophisticated malware to social engineering scams, the digital era of information security risks is constantly evolving with new threats, taking advantages of the vulnerabilities of this developing ecosystem. Information security risks contain any threat that can concede the secrecy, reliability, or accessibility of your data. These threats can be malicious, like cyberattacks, or accidental, such as human error. Common examples include phishing attacks, malware, ransomware, data breaches.
The potential consequences of information security breaches are severe. Financial losses, reputational harm, and authorized consequences can cripple a business. Moreover, cyber threats are constantly evolving, leaving an increasing importance to adapt to a proactive approach to stay secured. Why proactive risk mitigation matters for organizations? Why should your organization adopt ISO IEC 42001? Imagine trying to fight a fire after it's already engulfed your house. Reactive security measures are akin to this approach. Proactive risk mitigation, on the other hand, is like installing smoke detectors and fire sprinklers. It anticipates threats and minimizes damage before they become critical issues. This standard provides a structured framework for managing information security risks, which is crucial for protecting your data and maintaining trust with your stakeholders. Additionally, it helps organizations meet regulatory and compliance requirements, making it an indispensable tool in today's regulatory landscape. By adopting proactive strategies, you can protect sensitive information, maintain business continuity, enhance customer trust. Key proactive strategies. Here's your resource of proactive strategies to combat information security risks. Risk assessment and analysis. Regularly assess your security structure, identify vulnerabilities, and prioritize risks based on their possibility for impact. Implementing security controls. Firewalls, data encryption, and multi-factor authentication are essential tools for safeguarding your systems and data. Choose controls that align with your specific needs and implement them effectively. Employee training and awareness. Empower your employees to become the line of defense. Train them on information security best practices by introducing them to concepts like phishing attempts and performing solid password sanitation. Regular audits and pen testing. Instead of waiting for a breach to discover new vulnerabilities in your ecosystem, conduct regular audits with penetration tests that help identifying vulnerabilities. Create incident response plans. Be prepared for the unexpected and take precautions by creating incident response plans that outline steps to identify, eliminate, and recover from a security breach. Implement a robust risk management framework. A planned risk management framework provides a path to identify, assess, and mitigate information security risks. Popular frameworks include NIST, COBIT, and ISO IEC 27001. Practical tips and best practices. Implementing ISO IEC 42001 successfully requires a strategic approach. Leadership commitment, secure support from top management. Employee engagement, foster a culture of security awareness throughout the organization. Clear communication, ensure everyone understands the new policies and procedures. Continuous monitoring, regularly review and update your ISMS to stay ahead of threats. Leadership commitment is critical for driving the implementation process. Engaging employees at all levels ensures that security practices are followed and embedded in the organizational culture. Regular monitoring and improvement are the key factors to adapt to the latest evolving threats that tamper secure business environments.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.